I have mentioned this kanina. Formative assessment is assessment for learning, of learning, as learning, in learning. What is our choice? Number 12, I see a lot of letter A's, and that is tumpak. Now, for learning is formative assessment. Okay, assessment for learning is formative assessment. Okay, so ito na siya, di ba? Assessment for learning, again, this is formative. Formative assessment po ito, formative assessment to help students improve while they are learning. Kaya po sinasabi natin na done during teaching, no? During instruction to help students improve what they know, no? To assess what the students understand at para din po ma-adjust yung ating pagtuturo. Assessment as learning, assessment po ito dapat. As learning is for students, okay? Make sure that you see the letter S there. S, as learning. And so this is done by the students themselves. Na? So self-assessment po ito ng ating mga estudyante. Na? Thinking about their own learning, learning about their own learning, thinking about their own thinking, or what we call metacognition. And of course, assessment of learning is to measure what students have learned. Na? So this is done after instruction, our big test.